Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So we can make sure to go to pocketoption.com and sign into your account that you got funds in. So from here, make sure you're logged in. Now from here we can go ahead and click on withdraw. Once we click on our user profile, on the left hand side we've got some options here. Click onto the finance option. Then from here click onto withdrawal. Now once we're in the withdrawal section, it's going to give you your free balance and your minimum withdrawal amount, which is going to be set to $15. I'm in Australia, so that might be different depending what type of region you're in, and also your commission. So withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. So typically a withdrawal request is processed automatically and takes a few minutes, and in some cases up to 3 business days. So from here, we want to go ahead and click on to choose your withdrawal method. So Pocket Option supports several methods depending on your country. So this can be bank card, Visa, MasterCard, e-wallet, Skrill, Neteller, Perfect Money, etc. Also cryptocurrency, you can withdraw in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and others. And also your local payment method, so depending on your region. Then from here, just go ahead and enter your withdrawal amount. So type the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful that it is a $15 minimum withdrawal amount. If you're in the US, I think it's about $10. Also, you need a verified account to withdraw, so make sure you've got, or Pocket Option may ask for KYC verification, so upload a photo ID, so this can be a passport, driver's license, ID card. Also proof of payment, like a photo of your bank card, e-wallet, screenshot, or crypto wallet. Proof of residence, utility bill, or bank statement. Now from here, confirm and submit the request. So review your withdrawal details and click confirm. Then after that, wait for processing. So processing usually takes 1 to 3 business days, sometimes faster with crypto. So you'll get an email or in-app notification when your withdrawal is approved.